you tell us a little bit, Rob, about the sales and design process, how that's been with Aaron and the team, please?
Yeah, it's been super. We were looking for, or we envisioned just a simple solution here, but the team, obviously, they're experts. They know what works best, and they know what the potential technologies are. So they helped us put together something that was really professional for us. And we've got the room in which we use this. In fact, I'm sitting here now in our multi-purpose room, we call it. We have lots of internal meetings, external groups come in. We're doing town hall meetings now. We've got cameras installed here. So Aaron and the team are great at listening to what the potential use was. And they put together a system that was, they designed a system that was really great and easy to use, and it really flexible. We've got lots of options in how we connect and how we present video. So we've really enjoyed it. It's working really great for us.